7 years. Here 7 years ago.
Minister John Hogan.
Senate President,
Senator Ron Johnson, Wisconsin.
I would like to start by congratulating you on the forthcoming National Day of the United States of America and express my real hope that your visit would symbolize the resumption of relations between the two parliaments. I take it that now you
We come here to realizing that we have a strained relationship, but we could have a better relationship between the U.S. and Russia because there's some common interests around the world that we could hopefully work together on. We could be competitors, we are competitors, but we don't necessarily need to be adversaries. So we're hoping that coming out of the Putin-Trump meeting in Helsinki, it will be the beginning, maybe, of a new day. We will have to wait and see and go from there. But we recognize that the world's better off, I believe, if Russia and the U.S. have fewer tensions between China